All right, so this is a BMD. It's an RG40-2 model pressure regulator. So this one is bad. Don't know exactly what's wrong with it, and frankly, I'm not fixing it. I just want to see what it is, what it looks like on the inside. So we're going to tear it apart and just see exactly what is on the inside of one of these. So feels like there's a spring inside on here. There is a small one. So you've got the seal here, the spring here, nothing else on the inside except for some liquid. So there's that, and then there's the regulator part, I'm assuming. So anyway, it's got a lot of liquid in it. Let's see what size Allen wrench is going to take. Nope. .4mm fits it fairly well. We'll see if it's a regular, a normal. So 3/16. 3/16 fits it pretty good. So we'll just take these out of here just to see what she's made of. I've been told that there is no rebuild kit for these. Whether that's true or not, I don't know. Maybe somebody can come across one. I haven't been able to find one just yet. And the people I go through for these they haven't found anything yet either. So just pulling the screws out so we can see what's behind door number 1. Now this one, it has to have a blown diaphragm somewhere because it was blowing gas out the little vent holes right here on the side. So the diaphragm has to be blown somewhere. Jeez. Goodness. So there that is. There's the spring, and then I'm pretty sure that this here metal diaphragm is not supposed to look like this. Let me grab a screwdriver and pop that deal off. All right, so let me pull. These things actually have a thin. Apparently they have a thin metal diaphragm, looks like. So there's that screw, and that allows this center section to come out. Well, the center section is where the seat is at. So the needle would be right there. That's where the pressure comes through. And there's the seat portion, which it looks like, I'm not 100% sure, but it looks like that may be able to actually rotate that around. Let's see. Yeah, so this seat has got it's got 4 different sides to it. You can actually rotate it around to be able to reuse it. That would be good to know. Next up, so there's our gas out on this side. It goes out there. It also goes out on each side. Your gas in is here. So your gas comes in here, goes through the little needle, and then here's the diaphragm portion of the program. Got the rubber gasket for it. So, and then there's the blown out part. This has almost like a stainless steel diaphragm, It would appear to be stainless steel. It's metal. So I don't know if I can open it up and find an actual part number for that diaphragm or what, but it is in a bad way. So just got a little seal right here on it. There is no, from what I can tell, there is no part number on it, but at least we know now what they look like when they blow out. So, and again, they're not supposed to have a rebuild kit for these, which would be nice considering the fact that it's just a couple of springs and a couple of seals. That's really about it. So it would be good if they did have a rebuild kit for them, because that's going to go there, and then this is going to end up pushing there. But anyways, yep, well, I guess all in there with it all blown out. At least now you know what the inside of those looks like and what that blown up diaphragm looks like. That is terrible. All right, later.